Aq-Quip 84 with the Commonwealth Development Bank, August 21, 22, 23 at Gunnedah, New South Wales. The biggest ever, open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Ed's of Lochinvar announced their big winter clearance. You've never seen savings like this before. These men's and women's sheepskin coats only $149. Girls, what would you expect to pay for this casual fur coat? $250, $150, Ed's price $99. Also for the ladies, these comfy sheepskin Ugg boots only $19. Don't miss Ed's big savings now. Sheepskin coats $149, casual furs $99, ladies Ugg boots $19. Ed's, that's where the winter bargains are.
Hey, Mr. Big Rooster, why does everyone love your chicken?
That's 'cause we get our chickens fresh every day, then barbecue 'em golden brown.
Big Rooster Chicken, it's barbecued. Big Rooster Chicken, it's barbecued. Big Rooster Chicken, it's barbecued for you. Yeehaw! Wherever you go, whatever you do, take the real taste of chicken along with you. Big Rooster Chicken, it's barbecued. Lunchtime, snack time, dinner time too.
Leave it to Cleavers Tyre Service to come up with the right kind of tyre for your vehicle. Being one of the largest independent tyre dealers on the East Coast, they have a great selection of quality tyres to choose from. Bridgestone V207 steel to suit most passenger vehicles. Bridgestone Desert Duelers for off-road motorists who depend on a reliable tyre. And the high-performance 65 series with exceptional road-holding ability in wet weather. Leave it to Cleavers Tyre Service to come up with the right kind of tyre for your vehicle. They know about tyres.